Hello, so yeah, I am bringing you this video. I want you to pay close attention to it. I tried to play the video, off a video of this frame, but it will not allow me to play it on this string. I mean, not stringer, I'm sorry, this app I'm using to make this video. But what I do want you to see in this video is Dominic on his bed counting a whole bunch of money. And I'm starting to wonder if he maybe someone's blackmailing him and taking KAMILLA. Maybe he was blackmailed and someone said, if you don't give me da 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 da, we're gonna keep your daughter. Maybe it was for ransom. But my thing is, everybody know looking at this. Well, if you see the video, I will try to put the link in this video so you can kind of look at the video yourself and know that Dominique is sitting on a bed with so much money. Now, recently, Derick went to court and pled not guilty. Now, my thing is, if they have all this evidence, blood and seeing the little cupcake over to their home and da 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 da, why would you plead not guilty? Wouldn't you be pleading guilty if we had all this if they had all this evidence on you? I would say so. Plead not guilty. Hmm. Maybe she's not guilty. Who's to say this man ain't kidnapped his own child? But what I will say is this man is sitting around with a whole bunch of money. Where is this money at? Where's all this money at? Again, I'm gonna try to put that link in the on this video in the description so you can see where I'm coming from with this video. So, do April know? Maybe not. Is it a ransom? Maybe. Does she know about the bank heist? I'm sure she does. She know about the bank heist. Yes, she do. Does she know the involved players of the bank heist? Yes, she does. Um, does she know that Dominic may have got a call saying, I know you hit that bank and I want such amount of money? No, I don't think she know that. But I believe that's what probably most likely Dominic knows. He knows. He's the reason why his daughter is gone. He is the reason why, and I believe he knows so much. Now, the two that's in prison for it right now pled not guilty. So stay tuned, because they are taking it to the grand jury trial. Stay tuned, because I bet you it's going to be something out of this. They're going to start, they're already talking to their attorneys. So it's going to be a twist to this.
Run.
Stay tuned.